In this video, you're going to learn how to improve your English pronunciation. Whether you're a student or an English tutor who wants to improve your English pronunciation, this video is for you. The question is, why is it so hard to improve our English pronunciation? One of the reasons is, it's difficult for us to produce some sounds because those sounds aren't present in our native languages. The tendency is we replace those sounds with other sounds that we can make. That is why we mispronounce these words most of the time. So you thought the first step to improving your pronunciation is to practice all the main sounds in English correctly. And to do that, you try looking for some exercises for each sound in English and just practice. After you practice those sounds, you can now have a perfect pronunciation. Well, I wish it's just as easy as that, but it's not, because there is a problem. The problem is the sounds in English are very similar to each other. So, why is that a problem? Well, unlike babies, most adults have enough ability to distinguish all the different sounds in a foreign language. So when you hear two different sounds in English, if those sounds are similar, you might perceive that sounds are the same. That's why learn English sounds separately may not work. Probably to you, sheep and ship sounded the same. The tendency is, if you make an exercise learning how to pronounce these words, you might mispronounce all of them, and you might start to believe that you are pronouncing those words correctly, even if it wasn't true. That is the bigger challenge when it comes to improving your English pronunciation. If you can't hear the difference between two sounds, how can you learn to pronounce each sound correctly? So, what should you do? Luckily, there are ways to overcoming this problem. Well, studies suggest if you have trouble differentiating two sounds or two words, the best way to train your brain to recognize the difference is to listen to their sounds at the same time. Not literally at the very same time, but listening to one sound after another. If you do this exercise, you will more likely to notice the difference. After noticing the difference, you may now practice pronouncing those words. There are a lot of free pronunciation exercises that contrast one sound to the other. The benefit is it can make you aware the sound in one group is pronounced differently from the other. Well, this is just one way to improve your pronunciation. Subscribe to this channel and let's learn together. Thank you.